The FN Model 1905, from its patent date, or FN Model 1906, in European countries due to its date of manufacture, was a pistol manufactured by Fabrique Nationale de Herstal from 1906 to 1959. It is virtually identical to the Colt Model 1908 vest pocket, which was based on the same John Browning prototype, and was the inspiration for FN's later Baby Browning design. Although Browning's handgun patents were sold to both FN and Colt, this was the only case in which both companies put the same design into production without any significant modification.